came to get one fish as revenge. Ended up with 2. Who knows? Might have another one, but. As you can see, I'm back at the what I call the long lake. I'm way out back at the moment, just been to feed some spots. I've been thinking about doing a nice little giveaway just to say thanks for everyone who's been watching so far. So if you wait around till the end of the video, I'll give you a few more details and hopefully at some stage soon we'll be able to get going. If you look over the other side, you'll see the swim that I've been fishing the last couple of trips, and I'm on the opposite side of that chucking some bait in, but as you'll see, the ducks have found me already. Hopefully just a disturbance kicking up the bottom will make carp inquisitive. I did exactly what I said on the last trip, so I lost another fish, didn't I? I was talking about heli rigs and that. As soon as I got home that night, changed it over, got rid of it. I know a lot of anglers use heli rigs and they're very successful, but obviously if I'm not confident then I need to change something. The other thing in here is a lot of the older fish are the bigger fish, and I think sometimes you're losing them because their mouths are all hardened up and stuff. I think you want a more direct contact to the lead when you get a bite. It's a full moon tonight. Just sitting here biding my time at the moment. Ducks are well active out there. No point me putting my rods out, they're just going to get picked up straight away. So just watch the water, see if I can see anything apart from ducks. That was the ducks attacking the, there's a guy up there, the bailiff's fishing up the end there. That beep, if you heard it, was the ducks attacking his bait. They are a bit of a problem up this end. Right, I'm using a mic this week because, like I said, there's a guy fishing down the end of the lake, so I don't want to talk too loud. Got all the rods baited up. Just gone for the same on each, which is sort of a mix of a bottom bait and a pop up half and half, so sort of a wafter. I call them wafters, some people call them wafters. Yeah, so we've gone for 3 of the same baits on there. Have the matching boilies, match the hatch basically. The 3 spots I'm going to put out there, but I'm going to wait till later, wait till the ducks have settled, because I feel like I'm going to get everything just right, spot on, and get some fish, get a fish, hopefully some fish. Feels really good for a bite, fingers crossed. I bought a polarising lens, so I'm just doing a little shot of the water, then I'm going to put the lens on, see if it makes any difference. Obviously I come into its own in summertime, looking in the snags for the fish and that and photographing them should be quite good, but Just going to test it on this because you can see the chod on the bottom. Just want to see if it makes it any clearer when you put the lens on. Right, that's with the polarising lens on. So we'll compare the two, see how they look. Yeah, I would say that lens works, so happy days. Don't see a big difference, but I think in the sunlight you'll see a massive difference. Had some really good news, some exciting news. Looks like I'll be having another venue to fish later on this year. Once it's fully confirmed, I'll share the details with you. Well, all looks a bit like carnage at the moment, so we have a tidy up, put the buoy up, get the rods out. Ducks are still roaming around somewhere though. Just a bit concerned about getting the rods out and then getting picked up by the ducks. We do love them, they're lovely little creatures, but they're a pain in the backside as well. Rods are finally out. It was a race against time really, because well, it doesn't look it. It's getting quite dusky, if dusky is a word. I couldn't actually see too well to where I was going, but yeah, they're out. And moving a few bleeps on the rods, but I'm not sure what's going on. There was a splash as well, but I can't see a bird out there, so yeah, not sure. Either it's good or it's bad. We'll find out. But luckily the banker rod hasn't had any of that sort of activity around it, so hopefully it will. I know that's sitting pretty at the moment, so yep, yeah, fingers crossed. Let's have a carp. Right, house is all set up. Time for a bit of dinner in a bit. Kettle's on. Haven't made dinner yet. Just a quick one though. These Nerds gummy clusters. They are really good. Seriously, whoever invented these is an actual genius. They are so nice. There's another flavour they do as well. I haven't tried that one yet, so looking forward to trying them. Yeah, as you can tell, I do really love my sweets. Surprised I've got any teeth left, to be fair. Right, I just heard a fish roll to my left, and it wasn't in my rods, but that's the first show or roll or any kind of positive fish action that I've had since I started the winter campaign, winter project. It wasn't near my rods, but it's showing that obviously there are some fish on the move. So yeah, fingers crossed. Hopefully we have a bite tonight. Previous weeks we've had bites, but last session I was here a couple of weeks ago. Obviously those who have watched it know that I lost the fish. We're around bite time now. It's about 9 o'clock in the evening. It's about bite time for
But this area in the lake, it has been over the last sort of 3 or 4 weeks. So fingers crossed we'll get a carp. Let's hope so.
Fish on. Got a fish on. Nice. Doing some funky jerky stuff. Just gone over my lines. Bite time, like I said, just after 9. Just hope it doesn't come off. Coming towards me. It's close in now. Let's turn these alarms off. Shush. Not sure what size that is. I don't think it's much of a size, but a fish is a fish. Come on, baby. Haven't seen it yet. Let's try and get it in the net. That was on the banker rod. It's not ready yet. Would put the torch on, but I don't like playing a fish with a torch on. Spooks them a bit and sort of does your eyes in. Yeah, she's in. She's in. Lovely. Let's have a look what we got. Okay. Heavily scaled mirror. I think my left hand rod has been dragged about a bit. Not sure how well that's fishing now. Middle one I think I've got away with. There's a little mouse. We got mate from the other week. The hook's right back in his mouth. Yeah, it's about an inch back. That one coming out. Lovely scaly one. Beautiful. Well, I was just doing a video saying it was bite time about 9 o'clock, and literally a minute later, minute after 9, this came. So brilliant. I don't know if I've got a leaf in the picture. There we go. It's a lovely scaly one. Happy with that. Very happy. Lovely scales on her. Seems to be behaving herself quite well as well. Yes. Nice. Very nice fish. Job done for tonight. Obviously still got 2, well, one definitely fishing, the other one might not be. And I'll just try and chuck this other one that I've just caught on back out again. But yeah, what can you say? That'll do. Let's treat her and get her back. There she goes. Well, what's the time? It's 1:05 in the morning, and revenge is starting to taste very sweet. We got a bigger one in the net. I came to get one fish as revenge. I've ended up with 2. Who knows? Might have another one, but Not worried. Over the moon, just to have another one. There it is. Let's turn it round to get the other side. Won't spend too long, he's got the hump. Now that is what I call a result. Lovely. Alright, try and get some sleep now. Yes. Well, 2 fish, 2 different spots. That's what I call a result. Time to get some sleep. Good night. Morning. Been awake a while, but it's quite a chilly one this morning. Just buried under the sleep system, under the sleeping bag. Very lively out there this morning, birds and all sorts. As you can see, the robins there. What a night, 2 fish, lovely. Don't think there's any food out there for the old robin. Might have to stick some out there for him. Did have a couple of bleeps on the banker rod a little while ago. I'm not sure, it might even have been the robin sort of jumping on the rods. I'll make myself a nice cup of tea in the morning. In the morning? I'm gonna make myself a nice cup of tea in a minute. Yeah, woodpecker. I think I just heard a duck dive as well. Well, I haven't got to hold out for that morning bite now, like I have been the last few weeks. 2 fish is plenty for me. Not greedy. Well, I wouldn't say no to another one. So I ended up changing that rod over, didn't I, last week when I got home, or the week before last. Got rid of that heli rig, and yeah, might be just coincidence, but didn't lose any fish this time. 2 bites, 2 landed. Successful trip. 2 predictable ducks, and yeah, outsmarted you last night though. Changed it up for him, give him some poppadom crisps. Seems to like them. Isn't it, mate? Just need some mango chutney. They're nice. Right, I'm going to wrap it up now. Just got my tea, just going to drink that and start packing up. I was just thinking to myself, I've done 6 work overnighters on the winter project, and I've caught 4 out of the 6 times. So it just shows you it's worth getting out in the winter if you're willing to put the effort in. I mean, it's a long old walk to where I have to get to really, with a barrow and that. But this is where the fish are going to be caught, so this is where I've got to go to. I must admit, I will be a bit happier when it warms up and I haven't got to walk so far. I can catch from other parts of the lake. A bit of spring carp fishing. I was just sitting here thinking, also doing these videos, does it put pressure on me to catch? I thought, well, no, not really, because I'm not doing a video to sell a product or anything like that. It's just to document my fishing. But it does put a bit more need on me to catch, which is only a good thing, because obviously that's what you go fishing for, to catch fish. So win-win at the moment. If it ever got a chore to do the videos, then I'll probably knock it on the head, but still enjoying doing them more than ever now. So the subscriber giveaway, yeah, I'm thinking either 400 or 500 subscribers when we reach that. It's just as a target, really. It's not to say, oh, please subscribe or anything. It's just giving something back for everyone who's sort of watched so far, and all the new people and everyone who's interacted in any way. Because I make the videos for people to watch and have hopefully enjoy, but yeah, obviously I've not got millions of viewers or anything like that, just a few or whatever, but to give something back is what I'd like to do. I'm thinking of either a 5 kilo boilies, 5 kilo boilies, or a session pack of the equivalent value. So a session pack being like hook baits, boilies, maybe pellets, maybe glug, something like that, something along those lines. If you want, you can let me know in the comments what you'd prefer. If not, I'll just decide. And yeah, if you can just, I know how many thumbs up, sort of likes I normally get per 1,000 views or whatever, so if you think it's a good idea, give it a thumbs up on this video, and if obviously I get a good response, then I'll start putting it all together, getting it all ready, and we'll look towards an announcement of when or how many subscribers we're going to decide on going for it. Yeah, it'd be great to give something back and say thank you, because I appreciate everyone who watches the videos. Thank you. That's happened at some point, didn't it? Bloody playing hook a duck now. There we go.